known as the plant that nourishes in every form. This is comfrey, magically and scientifically spoken as Symphytum officinale. Today, let's uncover every secret this plant has to offer up, just so you know how unmatched the potential of this regenerative plant is. Comfrey has mended wounds, healed damaged soils, and nourished gardens for centuries, and the best part, it doesn't stop there.
Morning comes without the city sound, just the breeze and these hills rolling around. I built a fire, keep the night away, living off this land, I found my way.
This fast-growing plant shows its vigor in the very first year after planting, growing up to 4 feet in some cases, higher. While a common dispute about this plant is that it is a nitrogen-fixing plant, that is debunked because this plant actually pulls nitrogen up from the soil and into its leaves. People tend to use this for compost tea in the garden. If you didn't know, compost tea is a concoction of weeds and various plants that can restore a chemical balance in soil. Usually consisting of a batch of plant matter, sugar, and water, used as a natural fertilizer by gardeners alike. Comfrey is loved by all walks of life, adorned with purple bell-shaped flowers and broad, fuzzy, deep green leaves, known medicinally for compounds that are naturally cell regenerative, meaning it heals tissue faster. The uses of this plant is to heal bruises, sprains, burns, and joint pain through poultices and salves. Beware to not ingest any internally, as comfrey has chemicals that are known to be toxic to the liver. In the permaculture world, gardeners plant comfrey under fruit trees to suppress weeds. Comfrey works wonderfully and expands with each passing year. If you know somebody with arthritis, get them to try comfrey for relieving stiffness and pain in the joints. If you have a scrape or cut, some people use the plant leaves directly on the affected area. Myth or fact? Comfrey has been said to promote healthy skin. Comment if you think it's a myth or indeed a fact. Although Greeks and Romans have ingested comfrey in teas in the past, it is not recommended. There is current research happening in Germany to use these plants for carbon capture. How cool is that? So whether you plant comfrey for beauty or its many uses, you've just successfully added this gift to your soil. Subscribe to our channel to open your mind to the wonders of nature. As always, every leaf tells a tale.